So the first platform we'll be looking into is Udemy. Udemy is well known for its variety of courses and discount offerings. It offers discount to newly registered personals. But if you have missed it, no worries. Udemy keeps on giving discounts very frequently. On the internet, we are able to find coupon codes for particular courses every single day. To make it much easier to get, do join the Degree Holders community channel on Telegram, for which the link is given in the description. Every day, the course title and the course link will be posted there. If the course is of your interest, click on the link which will redirect you to the course page with the coupon code applied, and you can directly enroll it for free. Now, on the top right, next to the logo, you can find the categories drop down menu which shows the variety of categories available on the platform like development, business, finance and accounting, office productivity, design, marketing, lifestyle. Apart from that, you can actually see courses like photography and video, health and fitness, music, teaching, academics, and lot more. Here is one of the best things about Udemy. You can actually create courses on the field which you are good at. And by becoming an instructor, you can actually post the courses here on Udemy and generate a passive income in the long run. If your courses are good, people would tend to buy it. If not, it's a loss. That's okay. But you would have applied the Feynman technique of teaching someone and learning a lot. So these are some courses which are featured by topic, and these are the number of students who have enrolled for Python course, and these are number of students who have enrolled for web development related courses, and these are the top categories maybe for this month or for the whole year, something like that. They keep posting or they keep updating it every single month or year. Now next we move on to Coursera. Coursera is a leading online course providing platforms, and it has tie-ups with MNCs and top universities around the globe like University of Michigan, Google, University of Penn, AWS, IBM, Stanford University, and whatnot. The professors who teach in these institutes also teach here on this platform. It is preferred by working professionals and college students. The certificate provided on this platform can actually help in boosting your credit scores in colleges if your college accepts them. There is one more thing. Every course in this platform is free to learn, but you won't be able to take the quizzes or get the certification if you have the mode of study as audit. If you want to get the certification or if you want to test your skills by taking the quiz, you have to pay a fee for that. One more benefit for students is that, and for non-students is that, students whose college is actually partnered with Coursera can take one course for free from this platform if you are registered with your college email ID. And you can also do unlimited number of guided projects. If you are not a student, or if you are a student who has an account if your college is not partnered with Coursera, no worries. You have something called financial aid which can be applied, and it will be reviewed by the officials and the results will be announced in 15 days. Like after 15 days you will get to know whether you have you are selected for the course or you can't take the course. If you apply for the financial aid, you can actually get the certificate as well. It's like paying automatically. So we will soon be publishing a video on how to apply financial aid on Coursera. So please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for not missing our future videos. Great. Now let's just move to the next online platform, which is FreeCodeCamp. You would have known this because it also has a YouTube channel, which I'll show in a while. So you can actually learn to code here. It's mainly for computer science students, where you can learn to code, build projects only by building projects and by getting it reviewed, you'll earn certifications here. First thing is, let's just talk about this website. This website is like a blog where you can actually learn what has to be done, and once you have learned what has to be done, and you can actually create the projects, submit it here so that the officials can actually look into it. Once it is exactly the same as they have asked, you will be verified and you will be awarded the certification. If you don't want this, you can actually go to their YouTube channel, which has around like more than 4 million subscribers, and most of the videos put here are computer related stuffs like programming languages to UX designs. You can actually take courses on data science, machine learning, even ethical hacking, and much more is given below. You can actually like take a look into the YouTube channel, and yes, the course provided here are for long durations like 16 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, which can be broken down, and by dedicating yourself to learning your preferred course, you can actually complete it and master it very soon. So that's it for freecodecamp.org. Let's move on to IBM's cognitive classes. IBM's cognitive classes is like super duper professional, and the courses here are free and is of minimal duration as well. The courses are hands-on and the explanation is kept down to earth, where you can actually understand what is being said very easily. They also provide this learning paths, which is like a featured, or it is like helping you master in a particular domain of your choice. I personally feel this is a great great thing, so that it can help you like master or understand one particular technology up to the level where you can actually work on it with ease. It also has this project section to help you work on use case projects as well. So let's take this for example, fundamentals of JavaScript through rock paper scissors program. If you are new to JavaScript and you have learned JavaScript, and if you want to have a hands-on project that you wish to do, you can actually go here, click on this, try it out, you get a certificate, or you can actually publish this saying that you have done this on your LinkedIn or on your GitHub, anywhere. The students are also given give this badges which can be posted on LinkedIn, or you can actually put it in your own portfolio website to showcase that we know this knowledge. I know what like this particular technology, I know what happens, or something like that. Next, so these are the features given in IBM's cognitive classes. It is also free. There's no charges for the certification or badge. Next, we'll move on to the last and final platform, which actually will be closed by the end of October, which is Microsoft's virtual training. So Microsoft's virtual training is a site provided by Microsoft, as you know, to train, and it also gives up coupons for certifications. Let me come back to that. These courses are free and it is live. The training is live, and the exams coupon or exam can also be free if you have this valid coupon which is given while attending the live lectures. And this exam is a one-time attempt, and if you fail and if you want to take a re-attempt, you can actually select another date. As you see, the data fundamentals is again taken after like say 12 days, then again it is actually taken again. If you fail the first time, you can try it with the second time. If you don't pass that, you can again try it. If you feel that this is not going well, you can actually like register another email ID and take the classes as you wish. Why I want you to take this is these certifications like Microsoft's Azure data fundamentals actually cost thousands of rupees, whereas here it is given for free. Who does not like free certifications, especially if you are a student where you have no money to spend? True, right? So next, these trainings are given in 3 domains. First is Azure, which is the Microsoft's cloud platform, and the second is business applications. The third is Microsoft 365, which is Microsoft's cloud for its applications like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Everything will be in this Microsoft 365. Next, these certifications have the potential to be recognized globally, and it can even help you land a job. And so these are the 5 online course providing platforms for today. Soon we will be posting another video, okay, with another 5 online learning platforms. And for that, what you have to do is you have to like this video. Obviously, do share it with your friends so that they too can learn something and they too can excel in their career. Best of all, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon to get notified. And we also post videos on Tuesday and Friday. Other than technical related, we also unbox and review. We post videos on cryptos, and there is one playlist called How and Why, which actually talks about how things work and why it actually happens the way it happens. So please do look into those videos as well. And thank you very much for being with me till the end. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.